Young King attack again in a J Prince. I represent for one of the roughest and the toughest and the baddest thing. Them will review tune and video. Jamaica worst gamer. Review this for them, no man.
Yo. What is up, guys? Jamaica worst gamer here with another reaction. Today, guys, today we here with One Pop. Yeah, man, One Pop. You are the one. Yes, big up yourself, J. The G just dropped the one last night. One dust record. Big up yourself also. Production team that. Make a jump in the one on here with One Papa deal the man. Let's go, man.
Oh my God, is that Zane? Rico, is that you?
Something to get them. Walk on.
You are the one that I love. Nobody cannot get that love. You are my queen, you are my sweetheart, anything you can think of. Even though you're miserable, a one back shot fix that.
You are my queen, you are the one I love. You are my queen, you are the one I love. No matter where them say me and you right true. But guess what? Even though you're miserable, I know the cure feet. I have the injection feet. One back shot fix that. Yes, you know. Once you know what your woman likes, what you know what calms her down, you just give it to her. One Pop.
Oh my God, is that Zane?
Go again.
Rico, is that you?
Again. Yeah.
You are the one that I love. Nobody cannot get that love. You are my queen, you are my sweetheart, anything you can think of.
The one I got pin in the
Even though
comment
you're
section.
miserable, a one back shot fix that.
Alright.
Me nah let go.
Yeah, that winner, let go. We not let go, we stick together like Henkel glue.
We nah let go. We in this forever. We cause I will fight, but we still a make love. We nah let go. We in this forever. We cause I will fight, but we still a make love.
Yeah, and that's so you know so your relationship strong with your B. When time wanna have an argument, I wanna know how to get around that and come out of it. If she vex you, just pass her and stop her on her body. Hey, stop going some man. Left me alone now. Hey, who you talk to? Come here. And then look a playful ways that get back out, get the relationship back straight out. You know what I mean? Get the argument take, just grab her by her throat. I say, yeah, alright, too much information.
In this forever. Because I will fight, but we still make love. My girl. Everything pan you look good. You look so damn good. I mean, if you rock your world.
Yeah, man. You rock my world and don't dead. I mean, if you rock your world. Straight up. I mean, if you rock your world. I mean, if you live in your middle. Yeah. I mean, if you live in your middle. What you say?
You look so damn good. I mean, if you rock your world. Princess treatment that you deserve.
Princess treatment.
You know what kind of flirt. Yo, I woulda married you. We now that my girl. I mean, if you shift your jaws and squeeze up your ass. We now.
I mean, if you shift your baggy one side. I mean, if you shift your baggy one side and enter the center. Slap up body jaw. Can you like it a bit rough too?
I mean, if you shift your jaws and squeeze up your ass. We now let go. We in this forever. Cause I will fight, but we still make love. We now let go. We in this forever. Because I will fight, but we still make love. Me no see no other girl who can sex like you do. You're bad like girl in a blues.
You're bad like girl pan Pornhub. No, ask me, I know about porn still, but you're bad like gal in a blues. Yes, you're bad like gal in an adult movie, adult actress. You're bad like the go-go them. You're bad like them type of gal, them mama. But guess what? You're only bad for me alone.
Another girl we can sex like you do. You're bad like girl in a blues. Winner. Sometimes you go like a dark and for fool. Slap up your body jaw, put in on your place, make you know say I'm me are the man in a this.
Yeah, me I show you who the man. Me I show you say I'm me.
Yeah, me know say you like when me hold about your throat and you brace up on me dick.
Yeah, when I said earlier on about the throat grabbing, that's something I know about, man. Like experience.
Whisper in your ears and tell you say yo, me I go come quick. We nah let go. We in this forever. Because I will fight, but we still a make love. We nah let go. We in this forever. Because I will fight, but we still a make love. Because I will fight, but we still a make love.
One does record, big up yourself.
Is that same?
One part, big up yourself. Some for the ladies them.
Rico, is that you?
Ladies them. More class. Big up yourself, me G. Like me said, guys, that one here I go left it at the comment section. I go put it at the top of the comment section. Go over there, go make the G know what to think about it. Also, subscribe to the G YouTube channel. Yeah, that one I dropped not long ago, not so long ago. So go over there, go be the first set of people. Go over there, go give him some love. You know what I mean? Yes, dog. One Pop Official, big up yourself on YouTube, G. Yes. Let him know what to think about that one. Even in my comment section, see me. Is it? Alright? I'll catch you in the next one.
Yeah, I've got a call to watching a boss coming to present for Jamaica worst gamer, 𝐑𝐂𝐊𝐈𝐎𝐍. You don't know.